In this video, we will be exploring the top 5 continuous integration and continuous deployment platforms available today. These platforms help automate your software development process, making it faster, more reliable, and more efficient. Let's dive into continuous integration and deployment solutions. Before we look at the platforms, it is important to understand what continuous integration and continuous deployment are. Continuous integration is the automated testing and merging of code changes into a shared repository. This allows developers to integrate code frequently, detecting integration bugs early, and ensuring that all code integrates smoothly. Continuous deployment, which builds upon continuous integration, refers to the automated release of tested code to production environments. Once the code changes have been integrated and thoroughly tested, they are automatically deployed, thus speeding up the release process. And number 1, we have GitHub Actions. It provides native integration with GitHub repositories, making it very convenient for projects hosted on GitHub. Workflows are defined using YAML files, allowing for easy configuration and version control. GitHub Actions has a vast marketplace with pre-built actions that can be used to automate various tasks. It also supports matrix builds, which enable testing across multiple operating systems and environments. A basic workflow configuration is shown here. It defines a continuous integration pipeline triggered on push and pull request events. The job runs on the latest version of Ubuntu, checks out the code, and executes the tests using Node Package Manager. At number 2 is GitLab CI/CD, which is tightly integrated into the GitLab DevOps platform. It offers auto DevOps capabilities, providing automated configurations and workflows for different types of projects. GitLab CI/CD also integrates seamlessly with Kubernetes, making it easy to deploy applications to containerized environments. Security scanning tools are also included, enabling automated vulnerability assessments during the CI/CD process. A GitLab CI configuration example is shown defining 2 stages: test and deploy. The test job executes tests using the Python PyTest framework. The deploy job applies Kubernetes configurations using the kubectl command line tool. At number 3, we have Jenkins, a widely used open-source automation server. Jenkins offers a massive plugin ecosystem, providing integrations with virtually any tool or service. It supports pipeline as code, enabling the definition of CI/CD pipelines using a domain-specific language. Being self-hosted, Jenkins provides a high degree of flexibility and control over the CI/CD environment. A Jenkins pipeline example is shown. It defines an agent that can run the pipeline in stages for build and test. Each stage executes shell commands to build and test the code. At number 4 is Azure DevOps, which offers tight integration with the Microsoft ecosystem and the Azure Cloud Platform. It includes work item tracking capabilities, enabling seamless management of tasks and bugs. Release management features are also available, streamlining the deployment process across different environments. An Azure Pipeline YAML configuration is shown. It defines a trigger on the main branch, a pool that specifies the virtual machine image to use, and steps to build and test the application using the .NET Core command line interface. At number 5, we have CircleCI, which adopts a Docker-first approach, allowing for easy integration with containerized applications. It supports parallel job execution, significantly reducing build and test times. Advanced caching mechanisms are available, optimizing dependency resolution and build performance. CircleCI also provides support for SSH debugging, enabling developers to troubleshoot issues directly in the CI environment. A CircleCI configuration example is shown here. It defines a build job that uses a Python 3.9 Docker image. The steps include checking out the code, installing requirements from a requirements text file, and running tests using PyTest. When selecting a CI/CD platform, it is important to consider several key factors. These include team size, budget, existing infrastructure, and specific requirements. It is highly recommended to start with platform trials and evaluate each one based on your unique workflow needs. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.